I walk not through stone paths, not through trimmed hedges, but through the wilderness of my own mind. This sprawling garden of thoughts. The trees here rise like memories. Some are ancient banyans, their roots gripping the earth of my past, reminding me of where I began. Others are saplings, fragile yet insistent, whispering promises of what I still could become. I touch their bark and feel time itself urging me forward. There are temples scattered in this garden, not built of marble or stone, but of devotion. Each step into them feels like bowing to my own willpower. Here, silence roars louder than chaos. Here I remember that my body is a shrine, my mind a flame, my actions the offering. The people walk through this place too. Some are shadows that tempt me to linger, to waste, to wander without end. Others stride like companions, kindred spirits who lift me when I stumble. They remind me I am not alone on this pilgrimage. The ponds shimmer like quiet reflections. In their stillness, I see both doubt and clarity. Some waters ripple with anxieties, distorting my face into a stranger. But then sunlight breaks, and in that golden gleam, I glimpse my true self, undaunted, unbroken, destined. Every turn in this garden teaches me the same truth. Life is not merely to exist, but to move, to grow, to dare. The wind through the leaves chants my name. The ground beneath my feet vibrates with possibility. And I, yes, I am alive. Alive with a fire not to be hidden, but carried like a torch through this vast garden, until the path unfolds into destiny. So I walk on, unafraid, unstoppable. For in this garden of thoughts, I do not wander aimlessly. I march towards my purpose. And so I walk, not wandering, not wavering, but marching forward, relentless, alive. Alive with a fire that will not dim, alive with a purpose that will not rust, alive until this garden of thoughts blossoms into the destiny. So let's extend our arms towards our purpose and live life without any fear. See you guys soon. Till then,